Hey guys, Ethan here. So today I'm going to be making a two-part DIY repair video. It's a little different from how I do it because today's going to be the first time where you actually see me fixing or repairing something going along the process. Most of the videos are after or before the project is really in motion for the most part. So today this is going to be one of the first videos where you actually see me going along and repairing it. I guess you can say it's going to be a live footage video in a way. Alright, so let's get started repairing it. I'm going to be putting new smaller screws into these fasteners due to these being too long and going right through the front of the board. Alright, so let's do this. Like I said, it'll be two parts. This part's going to be a few minutes long, same with the other one. Put the camera here. That's good. That's one. Oops. Sometimes if you get to the point where it's out enough, you can just unscrew it by hand. See, I'm doing my best not to move the lights around so they're kind of at the same place, because I already know the brightness of the plastic because of the bulbs, the colored plastic. I know about how good it looks and they're perfect where they are, so it's just going to be a matter of putting the small screws in. So I'm trying not to bump the cords. I'm trying to be very careful with how I do this. So that side's done. Gonna move over here. Take that one out. Next one. These last two or three are probably gonna be off camera because they're over to the side here, but I'm gonna move it over a little bit so you can get a better view. There we go. Last one. So of course, after you do that, you want to make sure all your screws are in one place so you can keep track of them. Just a little tip that anybody who builds things or works on things, that's the first thing you want to be careful of, making sure where all your stuff is. So this was part one of this. The second part's going to be putting the new ones in, which will be in a few minutes, so stay tuned.